As if the fact of a robot phone, like a smartphone with a working gimbal attached, wasn't interesting enough, Honor decided to add an AI to that little camera, and now you can actually talk to this thing and ask it things and it'll actually respond. It's like if the viral DJI Osmo Pocket and a phone got together and had kids, you get the Honor robot phone. When Honor first teased this, I was so curious, like, what? How? What even for? Then, earlier this year at CES, I got to see a non-working prototype, which didn't answer any of my questions, so I got even more curious. And finally, at MWC in Barcelona, I got to see the Honor robot phone in action. Let's talk about it. It looks like your typical smartphone, but from that back, the camera pops up. And yes, that 3-axis gimbal can twist and turn. And when it pops back into the phone, it folds neatly. And you can still use a 200 megapixel camera to shoot while folded as if you were using a normal candy bar phone. Honestly, I find it pretty cool how they engineer that. So on that teeny camera, you can do a full gimbal mode and control the camera. There are also typical gimbal features like spin shot or object tracking. This is perfect for those who vlog with their phone cams. And in theory, you can even have it track you while on a video call so you can walk and talk as you're having this conversation. Now, to make this all possible, Honor had to develop a micromotor that's 70% smaller.
So, you see the size. We have reduced the size by an incredible 70%.
So the fact of having a gimbal on a smartphone was impressive. That same gimbal camera still working as a normal camera when folded into the phone, that was definitely what I found to be really smart. But they didn't stop there. Somehow they found a way to make this little gimbal cute because it can respond to you using little nods and little head shakes. For example, when asked if he's thirsty, he says no and explains why. We even asked him if he liked me, and spoiler, he does.
Says yes.
Yay!
Okay.
That's so cute.
And actually it gives you description. Yes.
I
Of what
love
you're wearing
that.
because it knows the environment. Right?
So basically, this is all powered by AI, and this little guy has what is called multimodal perception. This means it can hear and see and track motion and even react to what you tell it or what it sees. I mean, you can even ask it to dance to music and it will basically match its dance to the cadence of the music. See, this little guy is vibing.
Next one.
According to Honor, this is AI interaction designed to feel more natural and expressive. The robot phone, they said, is a defining step in Honor's evolution toward more intelligent and adaptive devices. Big words from the brand, so I can't wait to get the robot phone in my actual hands to test it out. The Honor robot phone is set for a release in the latter half of 2026, but we still have no other details on specs and pricing. All we do know is that it's coming. MWC was a big event for Honor, and it wasn't just the Honor robot phone that they announced. They also announced the Honor MagicPad 4, an ultra-slim 4.8mm tablet with a 12.3-inch 3K OLED 165Hz display powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip. There's also the Honor MagicBook Pro 14, a sleek laptop with Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors featuring a 14.6-inch OLED display. Then there's the Honor Magic V6. Now, I have another video all about this phone if you're curious, but it's crazy because it's so slim and it has the biggest battery on a foldable. But aside from this, they also showed off the new Honor Blade battery.
The Honor silicon carbon blade battery at just 0.15 millimeters thin with 32% silicon content. It's the thinnest, highest energy density battery ever made.
Literally, it's as thin as a card that they had a card thrower throw the batteries. And yes, I ended up experiencing the card throwing myself because of this. Basically, this is how they have that version of the Honor Magic V6 in China with over a 7,000 milliampere battery. Now, the Honor robot phone wasn't the only robot they unveiled. They unveiled this humanoid robot built to be part of the Honor ecosystem that's designed for human-centric use cases, and this thing can dance.
Put it right down.
We even randomly found it walking around at the MWC show floor. And that was our look at the very viral Honor robot phone. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Personally, I'm all for brands doing crazy stuff and trying new things, so props to Honor for that. However, the true test for the Honor robot phone, or any actual new crazy tech really, is when it comes to market and people are able to actually use it in their real lives. Until then, I'll be waiting for the Honor robot phone. That's it for me for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's Isa Does _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.